Hi everybody, we're back from COSTCO Business Center and we picked up about 15 pounds of tri-tip right here, and we're going to go ahead and trim up and season with our award-winning Coach's Pit tri-tip seasoning. Right here consists of cayenne pepper, brown sugar, a little bit of paprika, and some other stuff. It's pretty good stuff. So, pretty good marbling on this stuff. It's gonna come out really, really good. Well, let's get to it. Hi everybody, we are out here making a tri-tip on my Yoder YS640 with the competition cart. Fully loaded with the gauges and custom nameplate of my team right there. Yep, now we got on here our tri-tips that you've been prepping. Very good. Look at that color. That is beautiful. That is the one you want right there. Good little poke. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Delicious. Very good. Now we'll be checking for internal. Right here, right in the middle of the sucker. Good. That looks good too. Not bad, not bad. Very good. I'm getting ready to pull them off right here in a little bit. And off we go. Hey everyone, we are back here at Coach's Pit BBQ. And this is the tri-tip that we got from COSTCO Business Center, and it's ready to go. Look at that. Smoke ring is beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Another happy customer.